Meet the 2021 Subaru Imprezza. One of the most reliable car models on the planet. The Imprezza is one of Subaru's most successful models throughout the company's history. Subaru began manufacturing their Imprezza model in 1992 as a compact car with 4-door sedan and 5-door hatchback variants. It has historically been one of the most reliable car models on the road. In fact, in a 2019 study conducted by iSeekers, they found that the Subaru Imprezza was the lowest depreciating sedan model in the United States market after 5 years of ownership. This means that this model is easy and cheap to maintain, and it maintains its value over time better than nearly any model on the road. This makes it a great car model for people of all styles, ages, and budgets. The model now sits in its 5th generation, where it has been since the 2016 model year. With that in mind, it should be noted that it will likely be a couple more years before we get an all-new Imprezza design. What can we expect from the 2021 Subaru Imprezza? The Subaru Imprezza has seen a great amount of success during its 5th generation. However, the lack of power in the current Imprezza's sole engine option is a big downside to this model. The standard all-wheel drive is nice, but the company could benefit greatly from adding some additional engine options with a little more power before the next generation Imprezza is released. Additionally, some minor updates could be made in the Imprezza's interior design. That's not to say that the quality of the interior is bad, but there are many other compact models with nicer interiors. The company has yet to formally announce the changes to the Imprezza for the 2021 model year, but the interior and the powertrain of this model are certainly the areas of concern in the coming years. We have been impressed by the 2020 Subaru WRX style and have no doubts that the 2021 model year will also beat expectations. We also expect the limited edition 315 horsepower next generation WRX to hit the North American Subaru dealerships. What users tell us about the Subaru Imprezza? As previously mentioned, the Imprezza maintains its value over time better than nearly any other model on the road. This is a huge benefit since the interior and powertrain of the Imprezza leave much to be desired. The standard all-wheel drive is a unique benefit to the Subaru Imprezza since this isn't even an option in most sedan models in the United States. Additionally, opting out of the standard manual transmission for the available continuously variable transmission gives the Subaru Imprezza some of the best non-hybrid fuel economy figures of its class. Overall, the Subaru Imprezza is an excellent option for nearly anybody due to the fact that the easy maintenance and great fuel efficiency will save you money. However, there are better options of the same class available, such as the Mazda A3 or Kia Forte models. Interior. Although other competitors to the Imprezza have more upscale interiors, the Subaru Imprezza does a decent job of making each drive comfortable. The standard cloth upholstery is not favorable, but the available leather upholstery and heated seats make this interior dramatically better. Additionally, there is plenty of room for the Imprezza to comfortably seat up to 5 fully grown adults with no complaints. Exterior. The exterior design of the Subaru Imprezza is built on Subaru's global platform that they now use for all of their models. It's available as a hatchback or a sedan variant. Safety. The last Imprezza model to be crash tested by any reputable source was the 2019 Subaru Imprezza, which earned a perfect safety score from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and was named a 2019 top safety pick by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety or IAS. Additionally, this model has a lot of available advanced safety technology, making it one of the safest models on the road, without question. Expect new technologies like EyeSight driver assist. Performance. The lone engine option on the current Imprezza model is a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder boxer engine that makes up to 152 horsepower. With the standard all-wheel drive, there's enough power and maneuverability with this engine for day-to-day operation. However, it's reasonable to suspect that Subaru will expand on the powertrain of this model in the coming years. Fuel economy. With the more popular continuously variable transmission, as opposed to the manual transmission, the Imprezza averages 28 city and 38 highway miles per gallon. These figures are amongst the best non-hybrid figures in its class. Following only minor changes to the 2020 model year, the Subaru Imprezza has a starting MSRP of $19,595. Meet the 2021 Subaru Imprezza. One of the most reliable car models on the planet. The Imprezza is one of Subaru's most successful models throughout the company's history. Subaru began manufacturing their Imprezza model in 1992 as a compact car with 4-door sedan and 5-door hatchback variants. It has historically been one of the most reliable car models on the road. In fact, in a 2019 study conducted by Issachers, they found that the Subaru Impreza was the lowest depreciating sedan model in the United States market after 5 years of ownership.